Welcome in to the new members and to the old members that have found their way back to the community. I need you just as much as you need me. In this morning's update, we have a little bit of a bullish momentum here for XRP as we sit up about 1.16% on the day. We're up to 52.17 cents. XRP is currently trying to backtest a pattern breakout as this is more of like a bull flag setup. And the short target is 52.95 cents. And ultimately, we have a little bit higher of a push up near 54 cents. But first, we have to get past this short target. We're trying to backtest this as we speak. We came down in the last 30-minute candle. We tagged this perfectly. The question is it ready to just full out break up to this technical jump up? Or is the consolidation still going on? So right now we're going to wait to see exactly if we've got the consolidation we need here. But this short pattern setup that we talked about yesterday, well, not yesterday, but that I can show you now because it's formed properly. And now we've back tested it, or we're attempting to back test it as we speak. The technical target brings it up near 53 cents on a successful breach and push up. And then ultimately we should be trying to push towards that 54 cent area, but only time will tell how far exactly this goes. If you look at the entirety of the small flag here, let's just say it breaks from the top here, that'll get you up to that 54 cent level, which that's a major resistance. So those are your two resistance over the top, just very quickly. But that short target of 52.95 cents, that's the current bull flag consolidation. And then if we look at this a little bit wider, we can see that bull flag set up. So is 54 cents out of the question? I don't think so. I think it's actually a real possibility here as we move forward. But, you know, only time will tell in that regard. So we'll see exactly how this plays out in the next 24 to 48 hours. It's a nice ending on this Friday right now. We're looking good in this daily. It's the second day in a row we've had an engulfing candle. It'd be beautiful if we had a daily close over 52.2 cents. Would be a fantastic close. If we look at the cup and handle formation, we're bouncing off of it for the first time as support in this daily after going down for a few days, about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 days. On the 6th day, we righted the ship, and now we have an bullish, bullish engulfing candle here on the daily time frame. So these are bullish continuation candles or reversal candles to start pushing back up. So if we do start pushing up, we know we've got that 53 or 54 cent area, but 57.5 cents is going to be the real area to push on that mid-tier handle resistance. So very excited here this morning. If XRP can hold that 52 cent level, we will confirm the breakout to 52.95 cents. If we get on top of 52.95 cents, that would be a signal or a confirmation from the signal to 54 cents. And then ultimately we have a technical target of 57 cents if we can continue doing this in a true fashion here. But as of right now, looking pretty good this morning. Not disappointed. XDC still doing what we expected, as I have over 80,000 tokens here waiting for this eventual move. And it's on the outside as well, back testing. So what we're looking for is a back test hold of around 3.6 if it were to come all the way down. But it's already hit it once. We already came down to 3.59 overnight. And now we're attempting to try to push out of this area. But we're still getting a little bit of resistance. And what we're looking for out of XDC, let's just say this plays true. Trying to give everybody a little bit of information this morning. Who's been following along and who might be in this trade as well. As I bought in at 3.58 cents. And it was about 3K worth. No, it was 3K worth, not about. So we'll see how this plays out. And the technical target, as we've been targeting, if it does have a breach up, is 3.81 cents. And that would be a technical breakup, even from where it's at now, of another about 5%. So we're looking at a 5% continuation if we do play true. XLM's up 1.26% to 10.8 cents. And XLM's firm within its pattern rotation. Firm. And if this played true, this should get us to the top of the formation. Just say we reversed out of here. It should get us somewhere to the top of this formation. Actually, it bounced about right here on the 20-day. It should get us to the top of the rotation. This technical target for XLM should get us to about 11.16 cents. That is confirmed with the hold above 10.75. So right now we are above that critical resistance in the 200-day here on the 2-hourly. And we should be able to push up to that 11.1 cent area. That's what I'm looking for with XLM. XRP, I'm looking for 52.9 cents if this plays true. The best buy is right at 52 cents area, as long as it holds this breakout. Otherwise, we have to pay attention that this isn't going to be a reversal candle, as it did come down to 51.82. So it's an interesting candle here, but we really want to hold that 52 cent area. So right now we've signaled a move to 52.95 cents. We confirm that move on a hold at 52. So that's what we're looking at right now. We'll get into Bitcoin. We'll get into the XRP Bitcoin pairing. And we'll very briefly look at gold as it's up $10, $11 real quickly to 2,387. Please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube recommends this update. I would be greatly appreciative if you hit that like button so that when someone's looking through their YouTube newsfeed, my content pops up. Yesterday, we had an alarming bit of subscribers after going about 3 weeks with a net gain of 18 subscribers. Last night, we had about 72 subscribers throughout the day join, which put us firmly back over 21,500, almost towards 21,600 subscribers. So I'm not sure what had to do with the big burst of subscribers, but I am greatly indebted to each and every one of you who did hit that subscribe button, because you helped me break out of a bit of bearishness as far as new subscribers. So it was a beautiful thing to wake up to over 70 new subscribers in the last 12 hours, which is absolutely fantastic. I did see one of my videos got over 11,000 views, so I'm going to assume that had something to do with it as well from a couple weeks ago. So that video ended up gaining some steam the last couple days, and so it makes me feel good. But gold, real quickly, and then we'll do the intro. And like I said, please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube will recommend this update. And what that means is I'll be part of the algorithm and I'll pop up in the news feed, so newer or older viewers will be able to find me. So gold back tested this pattern formation, and if it holds this back test, which it has so far at 2370, first target's 2433, longer target's 2860 for the technical move. So we could be going up some 500 points here still in gold, which is absolutely incredible. Silver's pushing up towards $30 an ounce, and it's almost filled out this technical target, which is all the way up here at 31.30, and then the actual move out of that consolidation that happened over many years is all the way up at $39.55. So silver could be on its way for its biggest breakout in a couple decades here. And B2 gold finally up to $2.83. Been consolidating the last few days. We're coming up to pattern resistance soon up here around $2.92. If we break out of this, we have a short target at $3.50. So just pay attention to that. I don't want to sit on it too long, but just pay attention. So with that being said, I'll give you a second to hit that like button. Please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube recommends this update. If you're looking to trade XRP in the USA or around the world, spot or leverage trading, look in the video description below and our pinned comments for BITUNIX. You don't need to do a KYC, lowest spot leverage trading fees I've found in the USA. And you don't need to do a KYC unless you're sending or receiving from a bank account, or if you just want to have a higher level of security on your account. So with that being said, make sure to hit that like button. We'll cover Bitcoin in just a second, the XRP Bitcoin pairing, and we'll also cover the XRP market cap, as we've already went through XRP, XLM, and XDC in this early morning update. And we do have one bit of reading as well here this morning that we'll get into shortly. XRP price, whale moves 56 million coins amid price fluctuations. What's next? I'll catch you on the other side of the intro. Good morning, 7:48 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Friday, May 17th, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I thank each and every one of you for tuning in. I thank the over 70 new subscribers in the last 24 hours, as well as it's our biggest explosion in better than 6 weeks. So I greatly appreciate that. Really appreciate that. As we were talking, XRP right now is looking to back test this 52 cents, confirm a push up to 52.95 cents. So we micromanage it this morning. If you're looking for the first trade, if we can hold 52 cents, then you can have a push up to 52.95. Otherwise, if this breaks bearish, you'll have an early indicator here if this goes bearish, and this could put in a reversal in the 2 hourly, so we have to be careful of that. We do have, which is a bullish signal, a bullish or a golden cross here in the 2 hourly with the 20 cross and the 200. That's a bullish reversal signal, a short-term reversal. So we very well might have got our signal for that short-term reversal that would confirm what we're seeing here for the move up. As it's raining a little bit here, so that's why my camera looks a little different, because I had to set it up just a little bit different, a little bit lower angle, so that the rain wouldn't get hit, because I'm below this tree. So yeah. Right now though, 52.95 cents on a hold at 52 cents. And the technical target is up to 54 cents, but that signal can only be confirmed with the break and hold of 52.95 cents. And it looks all but certain that we're going to end up there at some point. I'm just looking to see where this consolidation ends up. I was able to make a beautiful leverage trade last night, and it made me really happy. I sold out about 3:30 this morning roughly, or 4 o'clock this morning. But I bought XRP on a 35x leverage trade, and it was at 51.43 cents. I sold out at 52.01 cents, and I was able to make $206 on that trade, which I'm very happy about. For totality yesterday, I gained $280 on XRP, 2 minor leverage trades. Micromanaged it. Started with $500 in the account. Now it's up to 800 or 530 something. Now it's up to 806 in my futures account. And that's separate money. So I was able to build that almost 300 bucks yesterday, which is fantastic. And I'm going to be looking for a third ride here. If XRP can prove 52 cents holds, I'd be very willing to ride it up to 52.95. But I also understand the momentum we're in right now. So I've got to make sure that this is a real signal, not a fake signal. And with XRP, it still looks like it's getting ready to bounce. That bull flag looks like it's ready. This is an inverse head and shoulders, and it's playing out 100% by the book. And if that's the case, if it plays out true, that bull flag should exhaust itself up near, and in this we could say 53.5 cents. It's a different chart, but somewhere between those levels. That's where it looks like it's going to try to come up to. Whether bullish or bearish, it looks like it wants to hold this level. Now, it's already bounced off of this once. The question is, does it come down to 51.64 and try to touch where that golden cross happened? That's something I will be watching throughout the day. The XRP Bitcoin pairing is down 0.5%. For transparency, in the last 2 days, I've added $400. So now I'm up over 2,000, actually about 500 bucks in the last couple days. It went down, last night was spectacular. As it came down, it looks like a reversal candle. I was able to buy in the 783 sat level for the second day in a row, roughly. Actually, yesterday was cheaper. What I bought on the 16th was cheaper, or the 15th, I should say. The 15th I bought at the 7.8 level, and then yesterday I was able to buy at like the 7.78 level. So, and then I also had more at the 7.82 sat level. So I've been adding up. I know my level now is getting closer to that 800 or lower sat level. It might even be below it now, but I've got just over $2,200 in right now, and I'm still just buying every single day until this eventually does do its reversal. It looks like it's trying to reverse as we speak, but it's had a very nice consolidation here, and at some point this is gonna bust, and this consolidation is gonna reverse. It's just a matter of when. And I'm not a wizard. I can't predict the future, but what I can do is give myself the best opportunity to succeed. And I've been buying within this very low descending consolidation. And I started buying very smaller at 840 sat level, more at the 82, even more at the 800 sat level. And I went balls to the wall at the 780 sat level. So I'm very happy with what I've accumulated here. And I'm going to continue to accumulate until this eventual breakout, because it will happen eventually. It will happen. And we're seeing, like, in the weekly time frames where we're way oversold. We're trying to put in some kind of reversal, but we've ended up coming down to consolidation here after what looked like 2 weekly inverted hammer candles. So I'm thinking this is more of a fake out candle for consolidation. But like I said, if it's down 3-4% today, I will gladly scoop it up for cheaper. And I know how to average into my position. So this has been going on for 3 weeks now, and we're just getting to the best of buy-ins right now. And I've been adding up like a fiend right now when it comes to the XRP Bitcoin pairing. We've got Bitcoin up 1.64% or 1,072 points. No surprise to the community. Not in the least. We talked about the move to 66,600. And then if it can breach over this, it's about 66,000 right now. The technical move up, if this breaks bullish, can be all the way up to 89,000. And this has been a beautiful consolidation, even when it came below. And it's been a beautiful consolidation this whole time. And now if it breaks up, I have no problem saying that this could get up to 88K. We do have some resistance in between. Big resistance at 72K. A big resistance at 68,800 area. But if this plays true, we've got some momentum here for Bitcoin. So we'll continue to play this as it looks like it's in a pennant flag consolidation. And until it breaks down, these are bullish consolidations. The XRP market cap's up 0.92% to 28.82 billion, up 262 million. We seem to be right on beautiful support here. And it bounced off of it. And it looks like this inverse pattern is playing out. This looks like it needs to come up. These look like bull flags playing out for XRP. Support right under at 28.39 billion. But it looks like on a successful breakout, which it's attempting. But you have to get over in the 4-hourly. The 29.161 billion to confirm this signal. But it looks like we're coming up to that 31.2 billion in time, which is about a 2.3 billion move for XRP. And this would absolutely allow the price appreciation we've been talking about. But we'll see if it can bounce off of this. I'm looking to try to buy here again, somewhere around that 52 cent level if it were to hold. But there's no guarantee it's going to come down into the spot I want. It's already hit it once. But right now we're looking for a bullish continuation. And now last but not least, let me read this and then I'll put this update out. XRP price whale moves 56 million coins amid price fluctuations. What's next? Against the backdrop of a consolidation witnessed by XRP, a cryptocurrency backed by Ripple Labs, whale activity surrounding the token has once again nabbed significant attention among crypto market participants. Per on-chain data surfacing across the global crypto horizon, it was brought to attention that a renowned XRP whale has offloaded nearly 56 million coins to SEXs in the past 24 hours, causing a stir in the crypto community. The whale transaction, which involves significant XRP dumps to exchanges, have sparked a wave of bearish sentiment towards the token's cryptographic venture. Here's a detailed report on the factors contributing to the current bearishness surrounding the Ripple-backed token. According to the on-chain insights offered by Whale Alert, 56.01 million XRP was moved over the past day through a couple of transactions. Intriguingly, both the transactions were done by the same prominent XRP whale, RZN. The first transaction illustrated that 29.98 million XRP was moved to BITUNIX, a Mexico City-based SEX. Meanwhile, the second transaction highlighted that 26.03 million XRP was shifted to Bitstamp, a Luxembourg City-based SEX. These transactions underscore an increased selling pressure on the Ripple-backed token in the market, falling in line with a tumbled price action today, although it has recovered to 52.1 cents here this morning, whereas on-chain data further added a bearish tint to the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. As of writing, XRP's price has fallen 0.54%. Actually, it paired all losses back to 52 cents. The token's 24-hour volume dipped 9.34% to 1.09 billion, accompanied by a market cap of slip of 0.69% to 28.52 billion. This further underlined the Ripple-backed token's current bearish movement in the market. CoinGlass data added to this bearish stance indicating a market downturn for XRP. The token's open interest dipped 1.93% to 570.17 million, whereas the derivatives volume slipped 5.66% to 795.95 million. This further spotlights a sense of reduced investor interest in the Rippleback token. However, the RSI stood near 47, signaling that the asset is neither overbought nor oversold, adding to the enigma around XRP's future price movements. Meanwhile, it's also worth noting that the regulatory uncertainties further cloud XRP's future, as the token primarily bears the brunt of legal situations of legal controversy right now, as one would say. But yeah, so the important thing is the whale moved 56 million tokens. And other than that, just pay attention to what I've been saying during this update. If XRP can bounce off a 52 cent area, the technical target, first target's 52.95 cents. The overall target on the small bull flag is up to 54 cents. And then anything over that, you would open the door to a move to the mid-tier handle resistance at 57.5 cents. A break below 49.5 cents is very bearish. A breach below 48.8 cents should bring us down even lower. But right now we're in a bullish proposition. So let's look at this from a positive mindset. If you made it until the end, hashtag be better, do better in the comments. And if you do appreciate my work, hit that subscribe button. As we're closing in on 21,600 subscribers, consider sending one YouTube super chat per month and joining Tom's Army and getting the exclusive emoji badge of me being abducted by aliens in month 1.